Hey there, welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best PC webcam with microphone. Perfect for streaming, video calls, and online meetings with crystal clear quality and noise-free audio. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Shcngqio TWC29 PC webcam with microphone. The Shcngqio TWC29 PC webcam with microphone brings professional-grade video and audio quality to your desktop setup. Featuring 1080p Full HD clarity and a wide-angle lens, it delivers sharp, vibrant visuals at 30 frames per second, making it ideal for gaming, video calls, online teaching, live streaming, and content creation. Every detail is captured with stunning colors and crisp imagery, ensuring a truly immersive experience. Equipped with a noise-reducing built-in microphone, the TWC29 ensures your voice comes through clearly, even in busy or noisy environments. Whether you're hosting webinars, joining conferences, or streaming live content, your audio remains crisp and professional. The webcam also features automatic light correction technology, dynamically adjusting brightness and color to suit any environment. From dimly lit rooms to bright spaces, your video will always look polished, with enhanced clarity and detail in every scenario. For privacy and security, the TWC29 includes a convenient slide-on cover, allowing you to block the lens whenever the webcam is not in use. This provides peace of mind and protects your personal space from unauthorized access. Setup is effortless thanks to its plug-and-play design. Compatible with USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, and OTG interfaces, it requires no additional drivers. Simply connect the 5-foot USB cable to your device, and you're ready to start capturing high-quality video instantly. Shcngqio also prioritizes sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technology. Its durable construction minimizes environmental impact while delivering long-lasting performance. With the TWC29, you get exceptional video quality, clear audio, and a commitment to greener, responsible technology. Coming in at number 4, the Emeet C960 PC webcam with microphone. The Emeet C960 PC webcam with microphone is designed to elevate your video streaming and online communication experience. Delivering full HD 1080p resolution with a 5-layer anti-glare lens, this webcam ensures smooth and clear visuals. Its fixed focal length accommodates objects between 11.8 and 118.1 inches, providing sharp images whether for one-on-one calls or group meetings. The webcam also comes with a convenient cover that can be automatically removed, adding a layer of privacy and protection. Equipped with 2 built-in omnidirectional noise reduction microphones, the Emeet C960 captures your voice clearly while filtering out background noise, ensuring crystal clear audio during calls and meetings. Its low light correction technology automatically adjusts exposure, enhances color, and boosts brightness, making it effective even in dim or harsh lighting conditions. This means you can join video calls without worrying about bright windows or low-light rooms. The webcam offers plug-and-play convenience with upgraded USB connectivity. It includes both USB Type-A and A to C adapter options, ensuring broad compatibility with most modern devices. The foldable design and flexible USB cable make it easy to set up and carry, while the 90-degree wide-angle lens captures more participants without constant adjustments. With high compatibility, the Emeet C960 works seamlessly with Windows 10/11, Mac OS 10.14 Plus, and Android TV 7.0 Plus, and supports platforms like Zoom, Teams, FaceTime, Google Meet, and YouTube. It is ideal for online teaching, home offices, conferences, or casual calls. The webcam also features a tripod-ready universal clip, making it easy to position for any setup. At number 3, we have the Gusgu G910 PC Webcam with microphone. The Gusgu G910 PC Webcam is designed to elevate your video calling, streaming, and online meetings with exceptional clarity and performance. Featuring Quad HD 2.5K resolution, this webcam delivers crisp images and videos at 2560 by 1440p, powered by a 5-megapixel advanced sensor and a high-performance encoding chip. Whether you're working from home, attending online classes, or streaming content, the G910 ensures your visuals remain sharp and detailed. Equipped with an adjustable ring light, the G910 enhances your appearance in any lighting condition. The light offers both white and warm colors, each with 3 brightness levels, ensuring your videos are always well lit and visually appealing. The ring light is especially useful for live streaming or video calls in dimly lit rooms. Privacy is a key feature of the G910 webcam, which comes with a built-in privacy cover. This thoughtful design allows users to protect themselves from potential security risks easily and reliably, giving peace of mind when the webcam is not in use. Audio quality is equally impressive with the integrated CVC digital microphone. It captures clear voice input while minimizing background noise, making your video conferences, online lessons, and streaming sessions sound professional and uninterrupted. Compact, functional, and stylish, the Gusgu G900 PC webcam combines high-resolution visuals, versatile lighting, strong privacy protection, and clear audio, making it a reliable companion for anyone looking to enhance their online communication experience. Next up at number 2 is the Anker PowerConf C200 PC webcam with microphone. Upgrade your video conferencing experience with the Anker PowerConf C200 PC webcam with microphone, designed to deliver professional-grade quality right from your desk. Featuring 2K ultra-clear resolution, this webcam ensures sharp, detailed visuals, making every video call and virtual meeting feel more lifelike and engaging. Audio quality is just as impressive, thanks to dual microphones with AI noise cancellation. Your voice remains crisp and clear, even in noisy environments, creating seamless communication for work, streaming, or online collaboration. The webcam also excels in low-light situations, capturing bright, clear images without the need for extra lighting, perfect for late-night calls or dimly lit rooms. Flexibility is key with the C200. Through its software, you can adjust the viewing angle to 65 degrees, 78 degrees, or 95 degrees, allowing you to frame your shot exactly how you want it. Privacy is also thoughtfully built in, with an integrated lens cover that slides over the camera when not in use, giving you peace of mind. The Anker PowerConf C200 is designed for broad compatibility, working smoothly with Windows 7 or later and macOS 10.11 or later. Whether you're upgrading your home office, streaming, or joining virtual meetings, this webcam combines high-resolution video, clear audio, and versatile functionality for a reliable and professional setup. Finally, at number 1, we have the Depstech DW49 PC webcam with microphone. The Depstech DW49 PC webcam brings professional-grade video quality to your home or office setup. Equipped with an 8-megapixel Sony 1x3 CMOS sensor, this webcam delivers stunning 4K resolution at 30 FPS, ensuring smooth, high-definition video calls that feel natural and lifelike. Whether it's for business meetings, online classes, webinars, or streaming, the DW49 ensures every detail is captured with clarity, even in low-light conditions. Autofocus and face tracking features make it easy to stay in focus, minimizing distractions from your background. The webcam's dual microphones with digital noise-canceling technology filter out unwanted background sounds, making your voice clear and crisp for seamless communication. Designed with convenience in mind, The DW49 comes with a privacy cover to protect your lens from dust and provide security, as well as an upgraded extendable metal tripod for flexible positioning. It also includes fun stickers to add a personal touch to your workspace. The camera supports 360-degree rotation, allowing you to adjust angles effortlessly whether clipped on a monitor or placed on your desk. Setting up the Depstech DW49 is simple with its 5.9-foot USB 2.0 connector, no drivers or software needed. It works across a wide range of systems, including Windows XP through Windows 10, Mac OS, and more, making it ideal for multi-person video conferences and casual online chats. Compact, versatile, and high quality, the DW49 is a practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their video experience, or even as a thoughtful gift for family and friends. And that's our list of the top webcams. Check the price link in the description to grab your favorite model, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful and time-saving product finds.